Welcome to Soothing Pod's meditation. In this session, we'll lean into releasing anxiety and learning to accept change as it comes. Settle into a comfortable seat away from distractions. Find a restful position where you can gently straighten your back without creating tension. Let your shoulders drop away from your ears as they relax. And soften your arms, letting your hands rest in your lap. If you haven't yet, gently close your eyes. Relax your forehead, your eyes. Soften your lips, your jaw. Invite a wave of relaxation through your entire body. And as your body settles, lovingly turn your awareness to your breath. Notice where your breath is the most accessible. You might feel it clearly at your nostrils. Or perhaps you'll easily connect to the rise and fall of your chest. Maybe you'll notice your belly effortlessly expanding and releasing. Wherever you feel your breathing is most accessible, settle your attention there. Follow your natural breath as it first begins, all the way to the very end of each cycle. And do your best to remain open and attentive. Notice each breath as it appears and dissolves. As you stay with your breath, allow your attention to widen. Notice whatever else becomes part of your experience. You might become aware of sounds that come and go. You may notice thoughts or distractions pop up, and if they do, rather than engaging in them, Note their presence and return to your breath again. If an emotion arises, acknowledge it and turn your attention to your breath once more. You are making room for your experience just as it is. You are allowing whatever comes up to be there and then to pass as you lovingly return to your inhales and exhales. As you stay with your experience, welcome all sensations, emotions, or thoughts with a sense of acceptance. You're not trying to push anything away. You are simply acknowledging the present moment exactly as it is. Now gently soften your attention. When we develop acceptance, we become better equipped to face what is outside of our scope of control. Change is inevitable, but mindfulness teaches us how to approach it with grace, rather than desperately trying to hold on to something pleasant that will unavoidably end. We learn to enjoy the present moment. And instead of becoming paralyzed by the fear that an unpleasant circumstance will be permanent, we recognize that it will pass. As we learn to accept the inevitability of change, our practice also teaches us to be with our experience without pushing away the challenges or grasping to hold on to the sweetness. When we soften into this realization, we find a little more comfort and freedom. We can welcome life as it comes, learning to navigate the shifts and changes with less agitation and less anxiety. And now, gently return to your breath and allow it to deepen again. Take a few cleansing inhales and exhales. Slowly notice your body in space. Make small movements with your hands and feet. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. I hope this practice has been helpful, and we'll see you again soon.